I hope this finds you in wonderful health and a beautifully calm state of mind. Welcome back to the Homescape project. The most successful garden retreats aren't the ones that look perfect. They are the ones that make us feel perfect. Today, we're looking at how to design for your own internal rhythm. In creative upcycling ideas for a charming rustic garden retreat, we're focusing on the restorative power of repurposing, turning everyday objects into the framework for a quiet, farmhouse-inspired haven where you can finally step away from the noise and reconnect with the earth. Massive sandstone boulders anchor a landscape where rugged geology meets reclaimed timber. Wide wooden steps, filled with golden gravel, ascend through tiered planting beds framed by weathered sleepers. A galvanized iron bucket adds industrial charm beside lush greenery, while a Japanese maple injects vibrant red against neutral tones. This garden balances heaviness with lightness, stone and wood providing structure, plants softening edges. It feels ancient yet modern, a sanctuary built on permanence and patience. Here, nature's raw materials become architecture, creating spaces that ground the spirit while inviting upward exploration. Warm red bricks form a timeless path leading beneath a lush, leafy archway that frames the garden beyond. To the left, a weathered wooden bench invites pause beside beryl planters overflowing with cascading white blooms. Vines climb trellises and fences, softening hard edges with verdant embrace. Purple phlox and pink coneflowers burst from borders in joyful abundance. This space feels lived in and loved, a place where structure meets spontaneity. Sunlight filters through canopy leaves, dappling brick and petal alike. Here, gardening isn't about control. It's about creating sanctuary where beauty grows wild yet welcome. Old wooden boxes, once used for harvest or transport, now cradle thriving botanicals in this thoughtfully designed retreat. Purple spikes rise above silver leaves, creating vertical interest against horizontal lines of timber fencing. Gravel crunches softly beneath feet as you navigate between raised beds edged with natural stone. A simple bench invites pause beside overflowing planters, offering moments of stillness amid abundance. This garden doesn't shout. It whispers stories of reuse and renewal. Every crate tells tales of past purposes now transformed into vessels of beauty, proof that sustainability and splendor walk hand in hand. Follow this irregular flagstone pathway as it meanders through a tapestry of textures and hues. Rusted corrugated iron drums serve as unexpected planters, their patina complementing earthy mulch and grayed timber. To the right, a sturdy bench offers respite beside climbing vines and delicate pink blossoms. The wattle fence behind creates natural privacy while celebrating traditional craftsmanship. Overhead, tree canopy filters sunlight into dappled patterns on ground below. This space doesn't demand admiration, it invites lingering. Here, gardening becomes storytelling. Each object, each plant, each stone contributes to a narrative of sustainable beauty rooted in authenticity and care. Rusted corrugated iron containers stand sentinel beside a winding brick lane, their patina complementing earthy mulch and verdant growth. Wooden benches offer respite beneath leafy canopy, while stacked crates overflow with seasonal produce and blooms. In the background, a quaint shed anchors the scene, its dark siding contrasting with vibrant greens. This garden feels discovered rather than designed, a place where function and form dance together. Sunlight filters through branches, dappling everything in golden warmth. It's proof that sustainability isn't sacrifice. It's creative abundance where discarded items find new purpose alongside thriving botanicals. Walk this sun-warmed lane flanked by reclaimed wood planters bursting with life. Lavender waves gently beside silvery foliage, while rusted metal containers add unexpected contrast against organic textures. In the background, a wooden gate hints at hidden corners beyond view. The palette, earthy browns, soft purples, warm grays, soothes rather than stimulates. This space celebrates simplicity, no grand gestures, just honest materials working together. Here, gardening becomes meditation. Slow, deliberate, deeply connected to Earth's quiet rhythms and seasonal cycles. Sunlight filters through overhead canopy, dappling everything in golden warmth. Beyond the rustic gate lies a sanctuary bursting with renewal. Vertical wood planters maximize space while showcasing lush greens, their dark grain contrasting beautifully with bright foliage. White flowers spill across the right border like fallen snow, signaling spring's full arrival. The path, crafted from irregular bricks, invites slow exploration toward hidden corners. Overhead, branches stretch skyward, filtering light into soft patterns on ground below. This garden doesn't demand perfection. It celebrates process. Every plank, every petal, every stone tells stories of hands that planted, tended, and watched things grow with patience and love. Walk this soft, earthy lane flanked by stone-edged beds bursting with life. Pink foxgloves rise above silvery foliage, while ferns unfurl in shaded corners beside raised timber planters. The cottage behind, clad in weathered shingles, anchors the scene in timeless charm. Hanging baskets add vertical interest near windows, while a rustic gate hints at hidden depths beyond. Sunlight filters through canopy leaves, dappling everything in golden warmth. This space doesn't shout, it whispers stories of seasons tended with love. Here, gardening becomes meditation. Slow, deliberate, deeply connected to Earth's quiet rhythms. When you design a space that prioritizes your own stillness, you're doing more than decorating. You're crafting a daily invitation to breathe. We hope these upcycled inspirations have given you the perfect blueprint for creating your own quiet, farmhouse-inspired haven this season. Thank you for watching and for building this conscious, design-loving family with us week after week. Until our next feature, keep tending to your peace, keep the garden growing, and stay well.